Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a DIY. I fell in love with this little end table right here, and I was like, I just have got to recreate it. And I saw the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, and boom, there was this idea. So if you want to see how I made this, go ahead and keep watching. So you're gonna need these two little trash bins. They're wire trash bins from the Dollar Tree. You're also gonna need some nautical rope. I think I used 10 altogether. You're gonna need some zip ties and a pizza tray. So right here, I am just zip tying everything together. I tried hot gluing it, guys. It just did not work. The zip ties worked the best. You just pull the zip ties right on through some of the little triangles at the very bottom, and then cut and then conceal it by sticking the little hard part inside the basket. That way you won't see them or feel them when it's time to wrap your rope. So I think I did about 5 or 6, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Like, it's pretty freaking sturdy. So now you're just gonna go ahead and cut those zip ties off, like I said, and just rotate the zip tie inward towards the basket so you don't have anything sticking out. And then you're gonna take your nautical rope and just hot glue and stick down your rope. I tried both ways. I did it straight on top of the basket and went around, and then I also did some on the rope. When you put it on the rope, I felt like it was cleaner. But it didn't stick as well. When you put it right onto the wire, I felt like, you had some oozing, but it's stuck much better to the basket. So, I mean, it's really up to you, I guess. You can also use E6000 for this, but basically you're just gonna wrap and wrap your little soul away. I think I used like a bag and a half of hot glue. Like, I went through a pretty good amount of hot glue, but they're from the Dollar Tree, so no worries, not breaking the bank. Yes, I did burn my finger a lot through this, but just keep wrapping, just keep wrapping, just keep wrapping. What do? You wrap, keep wrapping on around until you get to the end of that second basket. Now onto the pizza tray, you can always just put it in right on top with the color that the silver color that it comes as, but I did use this Rust-Oleum spray paint to make it like a oil bronze rub look. I like that better than the silver, but that is all up to you. You can do it in a color if you'd like. This is what it looked like after I spray painted it. As far as how I stuck the top on, I just used hot glue. I flipped it over, put as much hot glue as I could on top of there, and it stuck. Again, you can use E6000, but this is my final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.